Hi, let's see ethical USB hacking on Windows 10 machine using this CutieCat device. So this is a prank USB attack with keystroke injection. Hi, so in this video we are going to see about this kit. So this kit is CutieCat console kit. So it comes with these all components. So let me give you introduction to this kit in a brief. So the CutieCat console kit, it is a cat themed ESP32 powered. So you can see it is powered by Xiao ESP32 S3 board. So this kit is ESP32 powered hardware toolkit from DevKitty. It is designed to introduce users to cybersecurity concept through hands-on experience. It enables exploration of wireless networks, USB attacks, and various exploits. It comes with pre-installed with QA testing firmware and other supporting firmwares like ScriptKitty. These are custom firmwares like war driver with all open source and customized frameworks. So you can see it comes with this LED display, then this their PCB, SHAW board, and one antenna, and all the this is enclosure. So they have also given different get to started guide. This you can scan this QR code to get product support and the development information. So here is the view of other components like SHAW board and this display. So we will see in detail about this board. So you can see this is a PCB of this board CutieCat. It is of version 1. So they have also given steps of different how to solder this board and all the things on the website. We will see that in a minute. So you can see this comes with this SD card slot. It has also UART and I2C ports, LiPo battery extension, and this is the header. So this side they have 4 buttons here, and this is the position of header. So we will see about all these things. On sales screen they also have given the steps. You can see step 1, and here is a step 3, and this header is step 2, soldering the header. So we will see all these parts and how to solder them. First let's see its website first. So here is the website of that kit. You can see it is a CutieCat V1 soldering kit. So let's see this kit and how to solder and assemble this kit. So these are all components are comes with this kit. So we have seen that earlier. Now let's see how to solder this MCU. So this type of soldering is called as a tag soldering. Let's see how we can solder it. You will get more information on DevKitty's website about how you can solder this. So they have also given a mail header, so you can also use that for soldering for SHAW, but I have used this tag soldering method. Tag soldering is a technique used to temporarily hold pieces together before final soldering. So it involves applying a small amount of solder to a joint to create a temporary bond, securing the pieces in place without fully soldering the joint. So this will allow us to for adjustment or further work on the parts of the project before committing to the final soldering. Okay, next step is soldering this female header. So it is for GPIO takeout, so you can solder this type of header. Okay, we have not recorded it, you can do this. Then next is you have to place the screen, OLED screen. You have to first remove that sticker. Okay, then you have to place the screen here, and then solder this opposite side of this screen here. You have to solder it. Please remember, unfortunately we soldered screen first and then try to solder that female header, but it becomes difficult after you solder the screen. So you should first solder that female header, that is breakout header, and then you solder the screen, and you should check the all connections and if there any short circuit or not. Then next this is the part of inserting PCB into that enclosure. These are all parts of kit, and you can use the antenna. This is button, then you can put this PCB here. If you want to use the antenna, you can attach that antenna there, then you can place the enclosure and close this board like this. Okay, this is type C. And now you can go to this QR code, scan QR code, and go to the documentation. Let's power this board using power bank, and you can see we have loaded that firmware, ScriptKitty firmware here. And you can execute using those buttons. We will see demo of control in this video. Now let's go ahead and see product page of this CutieCat on DevKitty's website and see how we can flash this board using web flasher. Okay, now we have seen about this kit, how to assemble the kit and how to connect it to PC and all the things. Now let me show you how you can flash this kit. So I have shown you that it has a type C USB port. Okay, so you can connect here type C USB cable, and then you can go to this web flasher. So they have web flasher tool. It is a DevKitty web flasher tool. You can go to this link and you can flash the different firmwares. Like here you can see they have given the firmwares. So before flashing, you have to enter your board into boot mode. So boot mode, or you can say it is a DFU mode. So how you can enter that into mode? So we have seen that this kit has my microcontroller, that is SHAW ESP32-S3. So to enter this microcontroller board into bootloader or DFU mode, you have to press and hold this boot button and then plug in the USB. So you have to first press and hold the button and then connect this board via type C USB to the computer. It will enter into boot mode. So after that, you can click on this connect button. Your board will get listed with COM port like this. So you can select it, then go to connect. So it will say connected successfully, and then it will show MAC address and size of flash and all the things. So you can then select any firmware whichever you want to add to that, then just select the model. So we have CutieCat model, we have seen that. You can select that, and this is its previous version nugget. So let's program it. You can click on this program button to program it, and it will start the flashing the firmware. All right, so then next thing is, so let me show you you can see that firmware flashing process is getting started here. Okay, likewise you can flash the firmware. So this is the ScriptKitty firmware which we have seen in we have already flashed that, and in demo we have shown you that this is the ScriptKitty firmware. You can use this for hacking Windows, Mac or Linux OSs. So you can also choose your custom firmware. So these are given firmwares. If you want to these are given firmwares, this one. So if you want to upload the custom firmware like these ones, or so you have to here click on this, and this is the option, choose my own. So if you choose my own, you can browse that binary file and upload it to this CutieCat or DevKitty based boards. Their source code is open source. You can see this is the GitHub link for test firmware. So you can get your, so you can see they have given Arduino file for function testing, so you can use that. Then next is ScriptKitty firmware. So this is a open source firmware. You can use that firmware. You will get source code of that also, and here is the binary file of that ScriptKitty firmware. Then next is war drive firmware. So you can use these firmwares. You can also use CircuitPython. So as it is built on this SHAO ESP32-S3 sense, so you can download that UEFI file or binary file, and then you can use this CircuitPython. So this is all about this board. You can use these different types of hacking firmwares to use this board. Okay, thank you. Now let me show you the demo of ScriptKitty firmware. So we have seen flashing of that firmware on our CutieCat board. This ScriptKitty firmware used for USB hacking on Windows, Linux or Mac machines. So let's see demo on our Windows machine. Let's check device manager for verifying connectivity of our CutieCat device. Let's see ethical USB hacking on Windows 10 machine using this CutieCat device. So this is a prank USB attack with keystroke injection. Okay, now let's see ethical USB hacking demo on Windows 7 machine using this CutieCat device. So this will be a prank USB attack with keystone injection.